In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a post signature, which is a very powerful strategy on LinkedIn to attract more attention, more connections, and more followers. So it's more or less the same concept as a signature that you have in your email, where you give people information about yourself and they can click to visit your website, call you, email. So I already have my post signature in a Word document, so I can just copy and paste it whenever I want to use it. So let me show you what that looks like. So you'll see, firstly here it tells people about my newsletter, and then it tells them about what I am and what I do, and it asks them to like this post, want to see more, ring my bell, follow me, connect with me. Now what you want to do is, where the name is, use tags to link it to your profile. So in this case, so you type in the @ symbol and type in your name until you appear, select it, you'll see it's bold, and you do that for wherever you have your name, because then it's easy for people to find you, connect with you, and follow you. Now when I post with the signature at the bottom of that post, there where the names are bolded, that will be a link that will take people directly to my profile. I trust you found this video useful. Please have a look at the other videos in this playlist for other functionality on LinkedIn.